happy birthday po, Mami Yen. Wishing you all the best in life, good health, happiness, and endless blessings po dyan sa inyo. And sana makabanding po tayo soon dyan sa America because I really miss you, Mami Yen. And I hope we can travel anywhere together someday and make more memories. With that, enjoy your special day po, Mami Yen. You truly deserve all the love and joy. I love you and take care always po.
Everyone out there in Florida, USA, especially to my beautiful sister, Mrs. Marilyn. Hello, Lynn. A happy 60th birthday today. And I wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy and looking young as always. We love you, Lynn. Sana by February, mag-uwi sila Jenny dito. Uwi ka rin ha, para mahag ka namin. We love you, Lynn.
Welcome to the club, my dear sister Marilyn. Today is your 60th birthday, and you're now a certified senior citizen. Well, I may annoy you sometimes, but vice versa. You also annoy me, right? But that's normal for sisters. And remember this, I love you unconditionally. Cheers to you, and let's make more memories today. Thank you for being you, and remember this, that challenge is an opportunity for growth. Keep reaching for the stars, even if it's impossible to reach. Happy 60th birthday, my dear sister, and have a blast. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Linlin. Wish good health and more happiness in your life. Happy birthday. Hi. Love you, te. Nailitsyon, te. Kaon kag litsyon.
Joy. Here's to you, to your past, your present, and all the adventures still to come. Happy 60th birthday, Mom. I love you.
Okay, so after
Happy 60th birthday, Mamita, and I have a message for you, and I'm gonna read it for you. Happy birthday, Mamita. I really wish you a happy birthday, and I wish you will have a great time at your party and with your friends. And I want to say that you've been like a mother to me, Anjali. Ever since we were still little kids that time, your guidance, your love, care, your support you've shown us. That's why you are my favorite, Mamita. Whenever I think of my childhood, so many of favorite memories have you in them. Your unwavering support has been my rock. Thank you for every sacrifice you've made and every moment of love you've given. And stay pretty and more best to come. Thank you, Mamita. We love you and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Mamita. Thank you sa ginawa mo para sa amin, and sana lahat ng wish mo matupad, and sana ipagpatuloy mo ang pagkabait mo sa mga kapwa, and Thank you sa suporta sa aming guesting at saka sa mga journey namin. Thank you for everything. Stay pretty and healthy. We love you so much, Mamita. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Mama. Mama lang ako itawag kay ikaw mo kayo, tawag mami. Social kayo. Happy birthday. 60 years old na jud ka. Parang di mo mailag 60 kay wala nga mga sa mga 39, 38. Forever young. Salamat din sa tanan sa suporta sa labi na sa mga bata, sa mga apo, o kay Kindi. Pasalamat ko sa Ginoo na itagaan ko madiinlo na buutan, matinabangon, kanya sabot sa mua, despite sa mga netabo, panarang gyapon ka. Salamat igi sa tanan o happy birthday, more good health, unta pirmi hantod sa makaabot mi tanan dinha o makauban ka namo sa dugay pa jud na panahon o more years. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy 60th birthday, Mamita. Welcome to the senior's life. Pero okay lang yan kasi hindi naman halata na senior. Parang nasa 40s lang, di ba? So anyways, I wrote a birthday message kasi ayoko kasi umiyak while nag-greetings ako sa iyo or nag-give ako ng message. Ayoko umiyak kasi alam mo naman medyo emotional tong anak mo, May. So, I wrote na lang a message and I'm going to read it for you. Ayoko umiyak, pero yeah. Mamita, happy birthday. No words can ever describe how much I love you and miss you. Even though you're far away, your love continues to embrace us every single day. You've sacrificed so much, working so hard abroad just to give us a better life. And I will forever be grateful for your strength and unending love. Now that I have my own family and kids, I understand even more how deep a mother's love truly is. And me, yours is beyond measure. You've never stopped caring for me, for everyone, for us, guiding me and supporting me even when I already have a family of my own. You never fail to remind me that I will always be your child. On your special day, I pray that you feel all the love you've given multiplied 1,000 times back to you. You deserve every blessing, every smile, and every ounce of happiness this world can offer. I hope today brings you joy, peace, and all the love you truly deserve. I love you endlessly, Mommy. Thank you for being my strength, my comfort, and my forever home, no matter the distance. You're my forever hero. We love you so much, and I can't wait to see you soon there. My family, we love you so much. I love you, and see you soon. Happy birthday again!